Today, I'm going to show you how to add an extra cute touch to your holiday treats this year with reindeer cupcakes. Let's get started. For the cupcakes, you will need Devil's Food cake mix, chocolate pudding, foil baking cups, eggs, milk, vegetable oil, unsalted butter, powdered sugar, vanilla extract, and semi-sweet chocolate chips. And when we put the reindeers together, you'll need vanilla wafers, candy eyeballs, candy-coated chocolate pieces, and mini pretzel twists. To get started, let's preheat our oven to 350 and line our muffin pans with our baking cups. Then, in a large bowl, combine cake mix, pudding, eggs, milk, and your oil, and beat for 2 minutes on medium speed. Now, let's fill the cups 2/3 full and bake for 18 minutes. You can also do the toothpick test, and what you'll do is you'll just take a toothpick, stick it into the center of a cupcake, pull it out, and if there's just a few crumbs attached, it's ready. Let's move on to our frosting and then the fun part. In another bowl, you're going to beat your butter for about 2 minutes, then add your powdered sugar until light and fluffy. Add in your vanilla, followed by your melted chocolate, and continue to mix for 5 minutes. The frosting should be creamy and delicious. Okay, we're ready to frost and make more than enough reindeer to help guide Santa's sleigh. Now for the nose. Add a tiny amount of frosting onto the wafer and then take a candy coated piece and place it on top. Now don't forget about the red one. You need that one for Rudolph. These delicious treats are perfect for some holiday cheer. Now you enjoy, and I will see you next time on Fresh Dish Foodie.